ride with the mob. Alhamdulillah, check in with me and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torno for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures cause of my hysteria. Mama see me on me.
Alright, what's going on everybody? Urban Outlaws here, and on today's video we're going to be I'm going to be showing you me cutting up my fenders, quarter panel, painting the hood and fender, I believe. I can't remember because this is a couple weeks past when I did all this. Today I'm actually painting a bumper right now, so that'll be in the next upcoming video. This series is just going to be a whole process of me painting the car, doing all the custom work on the car, and yeah, hopefully it'll be fun. Hopefully this will all work out, and I'll try and put all the materials and stuff I used in the description. And yeah, let's have some fun. Today's projects, starting the outline of my paint job that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing this all the way down the car. Paint looks pretty straight. I'm going to do this half right here, this ingot silver, metallic silver from Ford, so that way I'm keeping everything Ford. And then this side's going to stay black. I'm not going to be spray painting anything probably this week, or I may try and start it next week, but I gotta get all the materials and paint and scuff pads for the hood, because I want to do it piece by piece. Just do like hood one day, fender the next, and bumper. And it's going to have a marble effect with black, so I'm going to get like a black. I'm gonna get black and like a plastic bag or something and just watch it. How can I get back to you?